Melanin Beaute boutique, and it is Makeup Monday. So I'm going to be trying out KOKIE Cosmetics today, and I'm going to show some film later of all of the material that I'm using today, or not material, products that I'm using today. So there's one added thing that I'm using that's not KOKIE, and it is the pressed powder, because I forgot to get that. So I have some Almay pressed powder, which I normally wear like my everyday wear, you know, when I go to my corporate job. So I'm just going to use that, but everything else is KOKIE Cosmetics. So stay tuned. okay. Like I said, I'm not a big makeup person. If you've watched my other videos, I usually just do like an everyday type look, but I wanted to try out the KOKIE Cosmetics. I don't know if you can see at one part in the beginning where I kept trying to like put more like on, because it's weird because I'm in my bathroom and in the mirror it looks fine, but on camera it looks very like, it looked gray, like whitewashed looking to me. So I kept putting it on so it looked like it was, you know, more of my skin tone, like blending in. So I think it looks good. The other thing may be too that I'm using the forward facing side of my phone to film this instead of the other camera. So I'm wondering if it's just like the lighting on the other camera, and it might just be the lighting in my bathroom. So I'm not really sure. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna try to turn the camera around and see. So this is the forward facing camera, so I can't see it, so I don't know how it looks, but this is what it looks like. So I don't know if the lighting is any different, but I don't know. Looking in the mirror, I think it looks good. I really did like their eye color palette. Like, I think they're cute. I don't know if I did a good job at blending my shadow and all of that, but I think it looks cute on me. But I think this looks cute. Like, if I were going out or something, I would do something like this, because I like the color on my eyes or whatever. So yeah, I think this looks cute. So let me know in the comments what you think about this look. And I would say I would give KOKIE a thumbs up. I think their prices are really affordable. I got this from my local Rite Aid, and for all the products I spent $65. But I do have a 20% discount at Rite Aid because I'm in there a lot. Like, I'm always shopping and couponing and stuff. So I was able to get everything that I used today from KOKIE for $65 at Rite Aid. I've gone to MAC and gotten all my stuff like at one time too, and it spent $200. So I think this is a good brand to use if you're more on a budget, and I think that you'll get a good look out of it. So yeah, that's my review on the makeup, and let me know what you think in the comments. Bye, ladies! And don't forget to hit that notification bell because you want all the updates. Oh, girl! Oh, girl! I did it good the other time. You can't get in there. Oh, girl! There you go.